Coming doctor, so now we are going to present our product of MentalMind in the group Misty. So let's rewind back. Our solution is provide a web-based digital mental literacy help with the various of the module. So Chu Chen are taking the 1 and 2 module with the user identification and role management and also the mental health learning module. And me, Tan Yu, are taking the 3 and 4 module, the self-assessment and mood tracker and the personalized recommendation. And Benjamin Chu Junjie are taking about the task appointment and also the forum. And our group Tiao Zixian are taking about the emergency hotline and also the resource library. And the Dan Zhen Li are taking about the customer dashboard and also the feedback system. So this is a code documentation for our project.
So our backend use Spring Boot for Java 21, Spring Data JPA, and MySQL structure. Our front end use the team leaf. This is the typical Java app, web app for the structure like this. So in this chapter, we will integrate the model view controller. We can see the file structure in model, view, and controller.
For chapter 3, we implemented expression language and JSTL using typed leaf. We also use the concept of chapter 4, implement the Spring Web MVC structure for our project.
So for example, in the recommendation HTML, we also implement the thermal leaf actually for the whole project. You can see the THIF is actually the thermal leaf by using the variable. Yeah, we also use the dependency injection as well by using the auto-wired mode service so that we don't need to configure. You just inject the dependency.
Okay, so now I will say about the chapter 7 and 8 using relational database using JDBC and Hibernate. So for first, the JDBC, this is where the actual connection to the database is defined. It creates the bridge for your Java code to talk to the database. So you can see the code is taken from our project. Okay, so now I will continue to say the chapter 7 and 8 using the Hibernate. So the Hibernate is make your Java classes to the database table. This is done using annotation in your module classes. So you can see this code is also taken from our project.
Alright, move to the database interaction. As you can see in the user repository interface, we extend JPA repository. This is a powerful feature that allows us to handle all our CRUD operations efficiently. I've also defined custom query methods such as find by email and exist by email, which allow the system to quickly verify user credentials and roles without writing complex boilerplate SQL code. Next, in Chapter 9, we address Spring security to ensure our system is robust and protected. A key highlight here is our hash security authentication. In the security configuration class, we have implemented the bcrypt password encoder. This ensures that user passwords are never stored in plain text. Instead, they are sorted and hashed for maximum safety. We also configured the authentication manager bin, which acts as the brain of our security layer, managing the login flow and verifying that only authorized users gain access to the application's resources. Now I will share the learning modules for the applications. At the learning features here is for the student page. You can see all the modules that has been uploaded by the mental health professionals or the counselors. So you can click one of it, start modules, and here are the information that has been uploaded. You can click mark as done. So we go back, even though if I refresh, so here the progress has been shown here, so you can know which modules has it completed or not. And for the lecturer part, I shall log up here and sign in as the counselor. So for the counselor, they can create the modules. Say you want to create the blah 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 blah. You can simply just create the modules. Yep. And after they've created it, the mental health students can view it. I refresh. Oh, log out and log in as a student again. In learning. Yeah, so you can see the module here. So, and for the mental health professionals, they can actually view the material. Learning modules here, they can view the materials, they can add their materials, either it's video link or reading document, and give them a name. So if it's video links, then provide the URL. Click add. Yeah, so at here they can have a list of the modules, the materials that has been uploaded in the modules. So the related database are this one, the learning modules and learning materials. All right, now I will demonstrate about the authentication module. At here, you can either register as a student or counselor. So I will show the register function first. At here, you need to enter your email address and your password confirmation. If the password and the confirmed password doesn't match, the error will show that the password not match. So you have to enter the same password. After you enter the password, you can click the create account here. And if I refresh the database, at here you can see the password is hashed because we are using the bcrypt function to hash the password so that it is more secure.
Okay, so this is the mood tracker. The mood tracker you can mood and log in today and write a thing, so you can update that, so that it updated. So and every day you can log in, so you can see. Okay, yeah, also have the self-assessment, and you can tag. After you tag, they will have a score and every day you can test one time. Okay, you see the high stresses. And the next, module are the personalization. Personalization are based on the assessment. Then when the assessment is high, low, and medium, they will change based on this one. And then the recommended sources, each of us will be changed, and also the suggestion will be changed randomly.
Now for the appointment page, we can see our upcoming appointment, and also we got a calendar view to show the every our appointment. We also can access the detail of appointment clicking here. We can basic fixture like editing, reschedule the appointment, delete appointment, and also we can create a new request. And later we can request using the counselor pages. As you can see, counselor also have the calendar view, and we can manage that as request. Just now we made. You can approve it, and then it will show here. Now for the forum page, it got some basic feature like filter by topic and sort by newest time and also the like number of like. And we can also see the detail of the post here. We can like the post, reply, anonymize or show our name. And also, if the post is not appropriate, we can also report it. This you can choose the reason. And for counselor, counselor can moderate the post forum. As you can see here, counselor got more for the moderation page. We can see why it's flagged, and we can review it. If it is true, we can delete the post. If it's a false report, we can remove the flag.
Okay, now I'm going to show the resource page and the emergency help. Okay, for this resource page, we can see over here when the counselor upload, and this one is the student page. Then they click the read more, they can see the description inside, and then if that one is a video, then they can see the video over here. They can just click here. You can see over here, and then for article and guide, that one is just this one like this. And then we also can put it in bookmark. After we click the save to bookmark, and then we click in my bookmark, we can see the resource in our bookmark. Okay. And then we also can remove. So from bookmark, we will not see the results anymore. Okay, for the emergency helpline, this one is the when we click this one, it will call the number. For this one, WhatsApp, we can just click, and then it will go to the WhatsApp page. We can just contact the person in just one click. Okay, this one is for the emergency helpline. For the counselor page, we can see the results just now. They can upload the results, and then click the title, select the type, and then the category, and then description, and then they can select the background they want. Okay. Okay, they can put a link. If this one video is just guide, you will not see the link. Okay. Then click this one, and then title, anxiety, description, blah blah blah. Then we select this one as out. Okay. After that, we upload. After upload, we can see over here. Okay, we can see the just now what we upload over here. Okay. They also can delete just now one. Okay, you can see. Okay, it will disappear. Okay, that's all.
Good morning, doctor. I'm Tansen Lee. Today I wanted to show you what I'm doing for our project. First, I log into the student account first. Okay, so what I do for this student is the feedback part. So you can see I do the feedback part. This is feedback, and it has the bug report and have the suggestions. And it shows that how we can use feedback at here lah. So let me try for the feedback. Maybe I type the good afternoon. Then for the details I say I need your help. And I submit feedback. Okay, so it shows at your recent submission here. Okay, you can see here. Then I submit another for the bug report. Yeah, it's shown here. And for the suggestion, it's the same. Submit. So you can see all of this is how I get the functions. So this is what I do lah. Then now we load to the counselor account. So what I do in the counselor account is in this dashboard, then the student and the feedback. So now let me talk about the student first. So you can see just now I put the good afternoon, right? So it's here. Then for the acknowledgement statement, I can say also good afternoon too. Afternoon too. Then I send the response. Okay. So now I already send back the response. Okay. So now you can see here is the pending. Then I can mark it as the review. I can mark this another one. I can make it another one as the resolve. So if I do something, I can make the resolve one. Okay. So the last one, hi Dr. Karthik, I follow up. So what I can say to the student is what you need. What you need from me. Then I send the response. You can mark that the mark resolve. Okay. Then for the student part, what I do is okay, I want to here you can show the risk level is high, moderate, and low. Then now I can check if I want to check who for the done mailing, then I just done. Okay, so it show the 1% lah. So all this is a function one. If I want to stress high risk only, yeah, you also show the high risk level only. So now for the last is the dashboard. Okay, you can see this is the today appointment one. So just now I make the appointment. Then this is the flex student, we got 17. So total student we got 21. Yeah, so this is what I can show you here. So for today's schedule, we have the upcoming appointment here. And now I can show you our database. So you can see this what database that we do lah for the data, the feedback one, the resource, the student. So all in here lah. Okay, thank you, doctor.